Hi guys, it's Evie, Cutie Pie, and today we got these squishy pins from SMIGGLE, and I'm also here with my mum.
Hello guys.
And also, I've got this one we did in our last video. It's like the Panda one because look, they're both stacked up. But this one has 4. And we also got this unicorn, which is like the unicorn horn we have. So we're gonna open them now. This is like an ice cream. So look at it, it's a squishy and it also has the pen here. See, it's a pen. I can put it back on.
So it's got the SMIGGLE label at the back as well, guys.
It's my favorite, it's so cute.
Look at the eye and the little cherry on the top. So cute.
Now my mum's opening up the next one.
Oh, this one's very soft, guys.
And it's twinsies.
This one's a panda, the SMIGGLE logo again.
Okay, now this one, it's a unicorn horn. So look at it, it's like a galaxy horn. And our lucky last is, it's like a hot dog.
It's a sausage with some cheese.
Or
mustard.
Yeah, mustard.
It's got the logo again. So cool. So these are all the one that we got today, guys. All 4.
So guys, that's all for today, and we hope you enjoyed our squishy pens. So make sure you click that like button and please subscribe for more videos. Bye!